How to sign in to Toast Employee account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Toast Employee login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, payroll.toastab.com. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. Firstly, you'll need to type in your email address or username and then click on next. Now type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, check in for this option, I'm not a robot. Now complete this verification process. Now click on sign in, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily sign in to Toast Employee account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.